do it.
What's up, guys? John Hendricks here with Talk on Airsoft, playing on a map called Western. Enjoy.
Slow and steady on this one. A lot right.
Headshot.
Yeah, a couple guys went hard right to these bushes. I can't get in from there. I'm gonna get in here on this side. Hard right up on the hill by the bushes, black pallets. Orange lines on them.
Back there, there's still 4 back there.
Yep.
Yeah, I got one.
Moving! Moving!
Watch out, watch out. 11 and 12 across from my position.
Copy.
Reload.
Got you covered.
Up.
One more in that corner. One more up on you right there. He's out. He's out.
3 tall steel barrel, 3 tall steel barrel, left side, keep out.
Got. This is clear. It's clear. Guy on the inside's clear.
I'll take over.
I'm working right.
3 tall steel barrel, right side.
Copy, SM. If I could get there, I'd be happy. They're moving hard right.
Laying down, suppressing fire.
Reloading. Back up.
God mode unlocked.
Double kill.
Reloading. Back up.
Triple kill.
Bush camper.
Reloading.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll shoot you later. Peace.